Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, what we've been able to do is give this customer the waterproofing solution that's going to last a lifetime. That being able to bring in the beautiful decorative gravel in order to take on the water that was coming out of this gutter downspout. We also put in erosion control fabric and the decorative gravel that just truly gave this customer back their landscape. But that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscape. Now I want to take you through this landscape so that you can see exactly how we were able to help this customer solve their landscape drainage problems and provide them with a solution that they're going to be able to be satisfied with for a lifetime. Now, as you can see as well, we've also been able to bring in this decorative gravel as well as a planting structure. Now, I did go with the lower pedalums and the beautiful ligustrums in order to provide this color on the landscape, and then I also provided the erosion control fabric with the decorative gravel just to make sure that this customer is getting the most quality that they could ever get when working with the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. Now let me take you through this landscape as well so that you can see what else we were able to do. Now over on this side, you can see the decorative gravel was necessary because it allowed for the customer to be able to take in the water that was coming in on their landscape, but it also allowed for them to be able to deal with that area that once had a lot of erosion happening. Now by having this decorative gravel along with the erosion control fabric, we're giving this customer a solution that is going to last a lifetime. And it also says that we're going to be able to help this customer solve their landscape drainage problems where they no longer have to worry about water being able to sit up on their foundation. So these are just some of the ways in which we continue to solve our customers' landscape problems, and it's the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we were able to do today on this landscape. Now, in addition to waterproofing this landscape, we also had the opportunity to bring in the beautiful enthusiast sod. That's right, some of the best grass your money can buy, folks. And what we did with that is we brought that sod in and we laid it out throughout this entire landscape in order to provide the customer with the way to deal with an area that once had a tree that now we're going to be able to ensure is going to grow based on the type of sod. So the enthusiast is a grass that grows outward, so therefore it's going to continue to grow on this landscape, and it's going to continue to give this customer a solution that's going to last a lifetime. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping. Now I also want you to see the way we were able to take this island and come up with a decorative design that allowed for us to be able to bring in this beautiful decorative gravel along with the erosion control fabric that just truly gave this customer back the landscape. We even went with the edge of border pieces that's going to make it necessary so that the water that would have been moving on this landscape doesn't take any of the gravel but keeps it in one place. And so that's one of the ways in which you can begin to landscape your area in a way that you never have to deal with it again, by being able to bring in this decorative gravel that lasts a lifetime. We even did the exact same thing down here by the mailbox, and it gave this customer an opportunity to feel absolutely complete within their design. And it's really the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on coming up with landscape drainage solutions that last a lifetime. And that's exactly what we were able to do today with this beautiful decorative gravel. And as you can see, this is a 1 to 2 inch in size gravel, so it's able to suck up a tremendous amount of water, also able to have leaves blown off of it. It's not going to be something that you step on and it becomes mushy. That's not the type of gravel that we got here. So this is all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.